The use of Tagalog pronouns. Pronouns substitutes a noun in a sentence to avoid redundancy. In English, we have pronouns such as I, we, me, us, and he or she. While in Tagalog, we have ako, ikaw, tayo, siya, and kami. Tagalog pronouns are ako, or in English I, refers to a singular first person. In a sentence, pumunta ako sa Luneta kahapon. Or, I went to Luneta yesterday. Another is, sa akin ang bahay na iyan. Or in English, that house is mine. Third, plano ko ang gagamitin para sa proyekto. Or, my plan will be used for the project. Next, we have ikaw. Or in English, you. This pertains to a singular second person. In a sentence, ikaw ang bahala magdesisyon. Or, up to you to decide. Another, ikaw ang nagturo sa akin magbasa. Or, you taught me how to read. Lastly, ang ganda mo. Or, you're beautiful. We also have siya and sila, a gender-neutral pronoun that refers to a third person. Siya, or in English, he or she, refers to a singular third person. In a sentence, siya ang presidente ng klase. She is the class president. Another, pinuri ang ideya niya. Or, his idea received praise. On the other hand, sila, or in English, they or them, refers to a plural third person. In a sentence, sila ang magulang ng bata, or they are the parents of the child. Another, kanila ang sasakyan na iyan, or that car is theirs. We also have the pronouns kami, tayo, and kayo. Kami, or in English, we or us, is exclusive of the person that you are talking to. In a sentence, pupunta kami sa Baguio, or we will go to Baguio. Another, amin ang bahay na iyan, or that is our house. On the other hand, tayo is also we or us in English. But this is inclusive, or this includes the person that you're talking to. In a sentence, tayo ang dapat na magturo sa kanya. We should teach her. Another, atin ang proyekto na ito, or this is our project. For the first assessment, identify the correct pronoun. For the last assessment, match the pronoun with its English translation.